Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Aniket and today I have the BoAt Rocker 330 in the house. This is a budget-centric neckband which provides good bass and good battery life. And if you are a bass head, then it will give bassgasms to your ears. So with that said, let's begin. Having a quick look on the box and its contents, here you can see I have ordered the navy blue variant, but it is also available in 5 other attracting color options. Turning the box around shows you some highlights of the product. And now on opening the box you can see the RockerZ 330 placed in a plastic tray. Nicely packed and god, this color is really beautiful. Keeping it aside, let's check out the other box contents. Okay, so here you get a pouch, inside which you get another pouch holding the different sized ear tips, a Type-C to Type-A USB cable, a BoAt head sticker, a promotional booklet, and finally an instruction manual and a warranty card. Now having a closer look onto the neckband, you get to see a metal and silicone build here. The finishing it has is top notch for the price. But as you can see, some cost cutting has been done in the ear tips and ear fins. The quality of these are pretty average. Moving on to the neck sling part, it is a nice soft to touch piece of silicone, ensuring good comfort. For the controls and ports, on the outer side of the right brick you get to see the power button and indicator LED. And on the inner side you get to see the volume buttons. On the upper side of the right brick you get to see the charging port covered with a contrast color covering. And finally, some technical terms for people who are interested. The RockerZ 330 comes with 10mm dynamic drivers, Bluetooth version 5.0, IPX5 splash resistance, dual pairing, fast charging which they call ASAP charging nowadays, and a low power consumption chipset which they have no detailed information about. And last but not the least, it has a 150 mAh battery. Pairing is simple and easy just like any other Bluetooth device. And for the controls, single tap on the power button to play or pause music, single tap on the volume buttons to change the volume, tap and hold volume down button for previous track and volume up for the next track. Single tap on power button to attend or reject a call, and press and hold for 2 seconds for rejecting an incoming call. Double tap the power button to redial the last contacted number and press and hold for 2 seconds to wake up the voice assistant. Fitting and comfort of this neckband is decent for the price, and although the ear tips looks a bit cheap, but they don't seem to cause any comfort issues. If you have extra ear tips, you can interchange for a better look. And they have given plenty of left-right indications, so you will never go wrong. The sound quality of this neckband is good for the price. The 10mm drivers are doing a good job. It produces a loud and bass punchy sound. Sound separation is good and vocals are also clear. Noise cancellation is also decent for the price. However, at high volumes the sound gets distorted. If you hear at 80 to 90% volume, it will be okay, but beyond that there's distortion. And another con is that too much bass in some scenarios make it sound a bit muddy. So I will recommend you to equalize in your app as per your choice before using. For the gaming part, it is just like any other neckband, works fine, but there is some latency, which will be okay if you are a casual gamer playing Clash Royale and that sort of games, which does not require perfect sound timings. Here is a quick mic test.
হ্যালো।
হ্যাঁ বল।
হ্যাঁ, না কলটা রেকর্ড করছি আর কি।
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, বল বল। বলুন দাদা।
তুই আমার কথা ঠিকঠাক শুনতে পাচ্ছিস তো?
ইয়েস, ক্রিস্টাল ক্লিয়ার।
কোনো নয়েজ নেই তো?
নো, কোনো নয়েজ নেই।
মানে কোনো রকম ইস্যুজ নেই, কথা ক্লিয়ার আছে?
নো, পুরো ক্লিয়ার।
হ্যাঁ তাহলে তো ভালোই আছে। আমি তোর কথা
Mic is
ঠিকঠাকই
fine, I think. Yeah.
আমি তোর কথা ঠিকই শুনতে পাচ্ছি, একটু জাস্ট একটু বেস হেভি হেডফোন তো তো একটু তোর গলাটার মধ্যে একটু বেস ফিল করতে পারছি আমি।
ওটা কি দম দম করে বাজছে নাকি বাজছে না?
মানে আমার কানে হালকা ভাইব্রেশন লাগছে তুই
তাহলে
যখন
কি আমি
প্রেসার দিয়ে
চেঁচাবো?
কথা বলছিস।
তাহলে
ওই
কি আমি
আমরা
চেঁচাবো প্রেসার দিয়ে?
একদমই দরকার নেই, ফোনিক সাউন্ডস গুলো যে আসে স্পেশালি, ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে, স্পেশালি পি অ্যান্ড অল এইসব টাইপ অফ যে অ্যালফাবেটস গুলো আছে যেগুলোতে একটু প্রেসার দিয়ে কথা বলতে হয়, ওগুলোতে পুরো বেস ফিল
হ্যাঁ।
করতে পারছি আমি।
The brand claims a battery life of up to 30 hours, which is true if you use it at 50 to 60% volume. If you are gonna use it at 80 to 90% volume, it will give you around 20 to 22 hours of playback time, which is also pretty amazing for the price. And for the charging, it has fast charging, so it takes around 30 to 40 minutes to fully charge. The maximum charger output should be 5V 2A. Anything above that may damage your device. And last but not the least, charging it for 10 minutes can give you 10 hours of playback time. And lastly, coming to the final verdict, for the price it is a good product, especially at this price, which is 1299 Indian rupees. It is a very value for money product. There are some noticeable downsides, but since the pricing is so aggressive, it's worth compromising. The link for the RockerZ 330 will be in the description, and like and share this video. And as always, I will be catching you guys in the next one. Until then, peace out.